There's a darkness. We've seen it in laundry rooms across the country, places where employee turnover, inefficiency, and wasted utilities are burdening facilities with extra costs and poor finished quality. Our world needs an answer, an advantage, a hero to deliver results. Now, born out of UniMac's maximum performance pedigree, a new hero is emerging. One unlocking superpowers to defeat menacing complications, accelerate machine servicing to supersonic speeds, and vision to foresee obstacles before they even appear. In the fall of 2022, UniMac changes everything.